Hi everyone, welcome to episode of the Root Culturist. In this week's episode, we look at repotting a plant freshly bought from an event. So usually these plants come from an event, sometimes they may be quite stressed out. So what you want to do is to double check on the roots, that's the most important thing. So here we see that actually the roots are not that defined. So what we need to do is to ensure that the roots are always in contact with the moss or something that encourages root growth. So here in this case we're using sphagnum moss. And we're using a cup instead of an orchid basket or basket with holes in it. So ensure that a good drainage. And now we're going to add the plant inside. So we cut the V shape, which will allow us to slot the plant inside. So the things here being cut is actually not the roots but the shoot front, so that the plant can nicely fit into the cup. So once done, it's time to add sphagnum moss. So you need to ensure that the roots and the root mass are always in contact with the sphagnum moss. You don't want the plant to dry out, otherwise the plant will not make it. And here we are doing the last few steps just to ensure that there are no loose space and all the moss are in place. So with all these steps, the plant is in a healthy stage of survival because the growth part is pretty strong, and although the root mass is not as much, increasing the humidity and adding the sphagnum will encourage the root growth. So once done, remember to put in a tag for easy identification.